Hello, I'm Melanie Jane, and today I'm going to show you how to make fabulous bun that you saw in a couple of my other videos. So the first step is, I'm not going to show you how to put a ponytail in. I think everybody knows how to do a ponytail. So all you need to do is just get a pony like this and bring it so it's quite high. I like to have it so it's high like this. And then what I do is two ways that you can do this actually. You can either go like this, but I find it's quite a small bun unless you've got like a lot of hair. Well, actually it does look fabulous, doesn't it? So you can just get some little Kirby grips or whatever they're called, and you can put your bun like that. But if you don't have a lot of hair, then what you can do, one thing that you can do is you can back comb it to get a little bit more body into your ponytail, and you can just do it with your fingers. See how I love showing you how to do things with minimal products. People will be like, oh, well, you need a tool to do that and you need a tool to do this. You don't, you just need your fingers sometimes. And then you get another bobble. I love these from H&M because they don't have the silver joiny things on it, which absolutely pull your hair and they're hideous. And then you just wrap it around once, depending on how tight the elastic band is. And then what you do, can you see what I'm doing here? I'm pulling the hair now through it, like I'm going to do the ponytail again, but I'm going to stop halfway, depending on how big I want my bun. And you see what I've got now? That's it, we're done. No, not really. So then you get your bun like this. Look how fab already that is. I'm going to get my Kirby grips because I'm kind of a little bit organised today. So I'm going to, oh, they're stuck together. Right, so what you can do is you can do two things. You can either, if you wanted to and you're in a rush, just use a clamp. So what I do is I get my bun, and then I don't want to leave it like that because I think I look a bit like Mickey Mouse, you know, with his big ears. So I like to do this, and I put it in a bun like this. How fab. And what you can do is you can secure it with your little clamp. Now that's okay if you're really in a rush, or maybe if you're just going to the gym or something like that, or you know, you're just popping to the shop to go and buy a hot chicken, or you're going to go to the shoot and throw your rubbish out. But why would you want to put your hair in a bun to do that? I'm not sure. Even I'm not that vain. But it doesn't look great from the back because you've got that big clamp. So the best way then is just to get some of your little best friends, and your little best friends are these amazing, so simple clips. They're these little clips. That's all they are. And you can buy these in H&M as well, and they've got them in Boots and everywhere. So what you can do is, if you don't want it to keep it like that, you can just pin it here. Or what I like to do is I like to make it bigger, like an Audrey Hepburn type bun. And just use your teeth to open up the clip and then shove it behind you and get a few more clips. You can hear I've got millions. I don't know, over the years I think I've had about 25,000 of these grips, and I just lose them all the time. It's like a phenomenon. It's like all the odd socks and stuff like that that you have, you know, that just disappear, and I don't know where to. If you wanted to, you can leave out some little strands, or if you want it to look a bit neater. I do like the little strands, but then I feel as the day goes on I look a bit scruffy. So you see, now it's nice, isn't it? And that's it. It's really quite simple, and you can just keep messing about with it. I mean, I've got a bit of a gap there that I can fill, you know, but yeah, and then just put some clips and grips. If you wanted to leave this little piece out, I think that looks quite cute, perhaps, but if you don't, then you can just pin it with another grip. Of course, you can use slides if you wanted to. I quite like these because they look kind of cute sometimes in your hair, and that's it. It's a fabulous bun with a big hole in it like a donut. But you get the gist, right? So that's it, how to make an absolutely fabulous bun. And if you wanted to, you can bring it round to the front as well, so it's like a little top knot, as it were. But no, I love it. But I've got a really flat head. Can you see that? My head is really flat. So what I do now is I pull some hair out like this. I'm looking in the mirror and I pull it out so my head doesn't look, can you see, so flat. And then I do the other side and pull that out. So that's it. I've got a hole in my bun though and it's really bugging me. So I'm going to bring some more hair from this side, because this will happen to you as well. There you go. Hole accomplished. A beautiful bun in a few seconds. Well, I mean, it's a 5-minute video, but literally you can do it in about 2 minutes if you don't ramble on like I do. So as always, it's a pleasure, and as always, you're welcome.